Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and get the Paramount Plus Black Friday deal. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. For Black Friday 2025, Paramount Plus offered a new and returning subscribers 2 months off either its essential with ads or premium ad-free plan for just $2.99 a month, a significant discount up to 7%, 77% off on the regular monthly rates, with the deal locking in a low price before anticipated 2026 price hikes and expiring around December 2nd. The premium plan offered better value due to its ad-free nature, offline downloads, 4K streaming, and Showtime access, making it a recommended choice. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.